Hello everyone, welcome to Going English. Today we're going to learn action verbs. Let's go. Look at these pictures and say the verb with me. What's the verb? It's cut. She cuts the paper. What's the verb? It's open. He opens the door. What's the verb? It's close. They close the window. What's the verb? It's hold. She holds the baby. What's the verb? It's carry. He carries a heavy box. What's the verb? It's throw. The boy throws the ball. What's the verb? It's catch. She catches the ball. What's the verb? It's clap. They clap their hands. What's the verb? It's wash. He washes his hands. What's the verb? It's brush. She brushes her hair. What's the verb? It's kick. The player kicks the ball. What's the verb? It's draw. He draws a picture. What's the verb? It's build. They build a sandcastle. What's the verb? It's drive. She drives a car. What's the verb? It's smile. He smiles at his friend. Now listen and match it with the right image. She cuts the paper. He opens the door. They close the window. She holds the baby. He carries a heavy box. The boy throws the ball. She catches the ball. They clap their hands. He washes his hands. She brushes her hair. The player kicks the ball. He draws a picture. They build a sandcastle. She drives a car. He smiles at his friend. Let's review. Cut. Open. Close. Hold. Carry. Throw. Catch. Clap. Wash. Brush. Kick. Draw. Build. Drive. Smile. Great job, everyone. Give yourself a big high five. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun English videos. See you next time. Bye-bye.